Hello lovely ladies, today we are diving into some of the best short hairstyles for women over 50, plus a few hair color ideas that can make you look youthful, fresh and full of confidence. Let's start with the classic pixie cut. This short and chic style is low and perfect for lighting your facial features. You can keep it sleek for a polished look or add some texture for a playful modern vibe. Another favorite is the layered bob. This cut frames the face beautifully and adds natural volume to the hair. A cheek length or longer bob works wonders if you want something stylish yet easy to manage. For those who love stylish pixie bob haircuts, it's short enough to be practical but long enough to style in different ways. The shaggy cut is another fabulous choice. With layers and texture, it creates movement and gives the hair a fuller, lively look. It's especially flattering if you have fine hair, since it adds body and bounce. And of course, the short crop with volume on top. This style is bold, modern and gives a fresh lift to your overall appearance. A little styling or spray is all you need to keep it looking fabulous all day. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video in my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also give your feedback in the hammer section about my collection. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection.